Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to create Google Forms and quiz with the help of Google Classroom app. Select your class. In this, here is a classwork. In classwork, the option is create. Click on the create. Here is a different option to create a classwork assignment, quiz assignment, question, material, reuse post and topic. We had learned in the previous video how to create assignment, questions, material, reuse posts and topics. Now we will see quiz assignment. I will give you a link of this previous video how to create classes, how to create classwork in Google Classroom. Please use this link from the description box. Quiz assignment. Now select the quiz assignment. Click on this. Here is your assignment. This is also the similar to the normal assignment. I am closing this. See, when you are clicking on the create an assignment, these are normal assignments. Here is the title, instruction, you can add and you can create. Similarly, same options inside the quiz assignment with this extra option Google Forms. Here is the one more option, Google Forms. Here you can provide the title. Suppose this is title for this is your title. You can write the instruction. You can write the here instruction. And here is Google Form. Use this Google Form. When we are clicking on this, it will redirect you on Google Form services. Here is your Google Form. You can create the test here. Okay. Here, right click here, your test name. Suppose test 1. Okay. Here write the description for this test. You can write the instructions of the test here. Test 1. Then untitled question. Okay, here you can select the option multiple choice, check boxes, drop box, short answer, paragraph, long answer. You can select the any type or you can select the file upload, linear scale, multiple choice grid. As per your requirement, you can select the any type of answer. I am selecting the multiple choice. Here you can write the options. Here is the different options. Okay, you can select the any options here. Okay, and next is this option. If you want the new question, click here to take a new question. You can type the here. You can say you can select the different suggestions also here. Here also false type. You can create the test of many types depending on this. You can create the test for short and long answer questions. You can create for the multiple choice. For short and long answer question, here is manual checking is important because here we are checking, we are grading the students according to this answer. First read this answers and then do the grade, do the marks. Okay. For this, please watch my previous video how to grade the short and long answers in Google Forms. I have also created the videos how to set timer for your Google quiz, how to set limited response time for your quiz, and how to generate e-certificate automatically using the Google Form quiz. I will provide the link of this video in description box. So if you want to see, if you want to set the timer for the Google quiz or limited response time, you can use these links. See how to set the correct answer for this. click on this answer key and then select your correct answer is this. How many marks you can assign the marks 2, 4, 5. Okay. If you want to say the answer feedback, just click on add answer feedback and add the here answer feedback. If incorrect answer, you can write okay. Or suppose the correct answer, you can add okay. You can add the different videos links from here. Just click here. You can add the video link to see the answer, to see the reference. Okay. Click on a save. And in this way, you can create this. If you don't want this correct answer and incorrect answer feedback, you can delete it. Click on it done to save it. Then see here. Here also say the answer key. Suppose click on this number of points, assign the points from the here and click on it done. Okay. You can add the multiple sections into the form. Why we are adding the multiple sections? Suppose there is a condition. I'm creating suppose the form for the all the students. Okay, means for the first year, second year, third year student. Then at that time if there is a different question for the first year student, different question for the second year, then use the conditional logic here. If FY student go to this section, so at that time use this add section. For this also please watch my previous video how to add conditional logic in a Google Forms. Okay. In this way you can use the Google Forms with the Google Quiz. Okay. And now just click on a save or just save because this form is saved on your classroom also. There is a link for this class. Okay. So here click and you can give the name here. You can send if you want to send this link to the anyone. Then click on a send and click on this link. Here is a link, copy this link or click on this shortened URL. So only this much of your link and click on a copy. Close this Google Forms and you can, if you want to paste here, you can paste the link here also. Okay. Actually here is your form. Just click here so you will get the form. But if you want to do the link to the other classes also, you can. Okay, here is your form. And here for which student you can select more students from here. Means I want to send this link to this classes also. Then click on this. Okay, and you can send to the 4 classes. Depending on your requirement, you can send it. And here all students. If you are creating the link for just one class, at that time you can select the number of students. See here. From here you can select number of students. And then points. Assign the points to how many marks. Suppose you will take for the 10 marks, then do the 10 marks. Here actually no need to do the points here when you are using the Google Forms because when we are using the Google Forms at that time record for this is automatically will save inside the Excel sheet. Click on the responses, click on this file, click on this create spreadsheet and here you will get the click on the create so you will get the all the data, all the response data inside this Excel sheet. Okay, if you want to stop now accepting the responses, then click here, stop not accepting responses. Okay, after responses, here you will get the summary of this responses received. Okay, here you will get the notification of how many responses inside the this form. Okay, so in this way you can use the Google Forms with your Google Quiz. You can use the Google Form for conduct the quiz with the help of Google Classroom and click on that assign to assign this test to these selected students. Okay, here is your sample text. Okay, click on the screen. Here is your text. In this way, you can create Google Forms with the help of Google Classroom. Thank you.